This is a removable link. Every robot in Robot Wars requires one for safety reasons. A removable link acts like a key to power up and power down a robot. The removable link is part of the electric system, and when removed, all the power in the robot is cut off. The Robot Wars rules state the following. The link must be positioned in a visible part of the robot's bodywork, which is accessible for a Robot Wars marshal when standing behind the arena barrier. The link must be fitted away from any operating weaponry or drive, and this position must be clearly marked. The link may be fitted under a cover, but the cover must be able to be opened without the use of tools. There are several types of removable links. Some robots use custom links. Some robots use commercially available connectors as links. Sometimes removable links pop out during a fight, especially when an opponent hits on top of the link several times. We will use a different type of removable link in the future.